Hi kids, it's nice to see you once again. Teacher Achieve here again. And I'm so excited to teach you again about phonics. So as I said, we're going to learn how to read and spell the words just by listening the letter sounds. So I'm so excited. Let's start. So first, let's have a review about the vowel sounds. So let's make the sound together with me. A, E, I, O, A. Again. A, E, I, O, A. Good job. And let's blend it with some consonant letters that we're going to learn today. And those letters are letters G, L, B, and F. So let's make the sound of letter G. Letter G makes a sound G. 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 Grapes. Wow, delicious. Next is the letter L. 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 Lion. Next is the letter B. 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 Ball. Next is the letter F. Fish. And now, let's blend those consonant letters that we've learned to the vowels. So now, let's blend the letter G with the vowels. Letter G makes a sound G. G. And let's blend it with letter A. G. A. G. A. And we read it as G. Next is G and E. G. E. G. E, G. Next is G and I. G, I, G, I, G. Next is G and O. G, O, G, O, go. Next is G and U. G, O, G, O, go. So let's read it. Read it with teacher. G, 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 go. Go. Very good. Next is let's move to letter L. Letter L makes a sound L. Again, L. And let's blend it with vowels. First is L and A. L, A, L, A, la. Next is L and E. L, E, L, E, le. Next is L and I. L, I, L, I, li. Next is L and O. L, O, L, O, lo. L and U. L, O, L, O, lo. So let's read it. La, le, li, lo, la. And let's move with our next consonant letter, which is the letter B. B. So let's blend it with the vowels. B and A. B. A. B. A. B. B and E. B. E. B. E. B. Next is B and I. B. E. B. E. B. Next is B and O. B. O. B. O. Bo. Next is B and U. B. O. B. O. Bo. So you read it with me. Ba. Be. Bi. Bo. Ba. And let's move with the letter F. Letter F makes the sound so let's blend it with the vowels. F and A. A. F. Next is F and E. E. Fe. Next is F and I. I. Fi. Next is F and O. O, O, fo. Next is F and U. O, fo. So read it with teacher. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Very good. There you go. We're done. But let's check first if you really learned from our lesson. So again, I want you to get your paper, pen, or pencil, and then so I want you to listen very well as I say the letter sound of each letter in the words that you're going to spell. Okay? So first, let's go with our first word. So number 1, let's have L, O, G. L, O, G. Next, let's move with number 2. Listen very well. B, O, G. B, O, G. B, O, G. Let's move with number 3. Number 3. The number 3 word is A, B. A, B. So now let's move with number 4. Listen very well. G, I, G. G, I, G. Okay, now let's move with number 5. Listen. L, E, G. L, E, G. Okay, we're done. So let's check if you got a correct answer. So for the first word is we have the word log. L, O, G. Log. The second word is bug. B, A, G. Bug. Third word is fab. A, B. Fab. Gig. G, I, G. Gig. The fifth word is leg. L, E, G. Leg. So I hope you got a perfect score and learn a lot from our lesson for today. See you next week. Bye!